There is something truly inspiring about having a bird as a pet. Watching them fly and interact with their environment is mesmerizing. Birds are also very intelligent creatures and can be trained to do tricks or even learn to say a few words. They are a great addition to any home and can bring happiness and joy to everyone who interacts with them. Rivers have always been a big part of human life. They provide us with water to drink, food to eat, and a way to travel. Rivers are also a place of relaxation and inspiration. Many people find peace while sitting by a river and watching the water flow by. Rivers can also be a source of inspiration for art and poetry. There is something about the power and beauty of rivers that touches the soul. Chocolate cookies are a delicious and indulgent treat that can brighten up any day. They're perfect for when you need a little pick-me-up. And their chocolatey flavor is sure to satisfy your cravings. So why not give them a try today? You won't regret it.